Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, get ready for a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Sweep tool to create a cornice for the exterior or interior facade in Rhino 3D. Let's go to Google Images and search for a cross-section of a cornice design which we want to use for our example. Copy and paste the final image in the Rhino 3D software. Once you paste, you will be asked to provide with the scale of the image. For now, we will just scale to any point where we can read the image easily. The image here has a lot of other cross-sections. We will trim the rest of the image and only keep the one which we want. Make a baseline or curve to scale the cross-section to the size we require. For this example, we will scale it to 1 meter by 1 meter size. Move everything to origin point, that is to 0, 0, 0 coordinates. Now trace all the curves using Line Tool, Curve Tool, NURBS tool, etc., whichever tool you are comfortable to use to complete the 2D cross-section of the cornice. Once all the curves are traced, we will make a copy of all the curves and join them to make a closed curve. To check if the curve is closed, check the Properties tab on the right. The curve has to be selected. If it is closed, then it will indicate that the curve is a closed curve. Move everything away from the origin point to create a massing of the structure you want to apply the cornice to. We will use basic boxes to create the massing. Once the massing is complete, we will make a boundary curve where we need our cornice to be applied. Select the cross section and make a copy of it, placing it in such a way that at least one corner point touches the curve which we made. Since the cross section was drafted in plan, we will rotate it in vertical direction and scale it to the size which is proportionate to the massing. Now we are set to apply and use the sweep tool command. Once the command is active, select the boundary curve that we made. It will act as a rail line. Now select the cross section of the cornice and press enter. Now a dialog box will appear with the settings of sweep tools. Feel free to give all the settings a trial. I am going to use the default settings. The cornice is now ready. Check out the rendered view mode to see the output. Use the clipping plane tool to check whether the cross section is applied to all sides proportionately. Quick tip, use record history just before the sweep 1 command, so that you can make changes to the cornice in real time and see its effect on the built mass. Thanks for watching. If you want more such updates and tips and tricks on Rhino 3D software, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.